Are you tired of the rat race? Craving financial freedom? ClickBank affiliate marketing could be your golden ticket. This legitimate business model allows you to promote products without handling any inventory and earn juicy commissions for each sale. But how do you ask? Well, I made the perfect instruction video on how to do that, so stick around, click that subscribe button, and let me show you where all the magic starts. Setting up is as easy as it sounds. Just Google ClickBank and follow the prompts. Then explore the affiliate marketplace with different categories like cooking, food and wine, and health. Evergreen topics that ensure steady buyer traffic. Are you interested in taking things to the next level? Then let's dive into some highly profitable areas. E-business and e-marketing, health and fitness, and self-help. With ClickBank, you can promote a wide range of products, from trendy knitted hats to the latest online courses and fitness programs. Take, for example, this supplier that sells coffee for $149. This is a physical product that many people would buy, and sometimes even coffee enthusiasts can pay a lot of money depending on your stock and the choice of coffee that you have affiliates already profiting from. The initial conversion rate is insane, with potential upsells flowing for even more earnings. Plus, you could earn $49.64 monthly recurring income per customer. While tempting, setting up a complex sales page is better suited for experienced marketers. Sure, it's rewarding, but it'll get on your nerves if you're a newbie. Before going ahead, I have a valuable gift for you. Imagine earning $10,000 a month, not just as a dream, but as your reality. In this channel, I offer various methods to make money online. But if you want my honest advice on how to reach $10,000 per month in the fastest, easiest, and free to least expensive way, then you need my 7 Steps to 6-Figure Blueprint. I've condensed years of expertise into a straightforward step-by-step guide. And that's your key to hitting that $10,000 mark. Grab your free copy from the description below. Now resuming where I left off. So we'll focus on Icaria Juice, an actual named product as an example. It has an average conversion of $138 with a drool-worthy video sales letter to convince buyers effortlessly. And what better way to pull in those sweet dollars than by showcasing the good stuff in a video? Grabbing your affiliate link is simple. Just click the affiliate page and then go to the hop link section. Input your My ID and select Default VSL on the landing page. Then check the I agree to the terms of service and click Generate Uplink. This unique link is your key to riches. Now for the juicy part, commissions. Icaria Juice offers a staggering 75% commission off the bat. You can even request an 80-85% bump, keeping up to 85% of the product's price. But wait, there's more! They provide a copy ideas section with ready-to-use headlines, email copy, and campaign images, a copyright-free jackpot to kickstart your affiliate marketing journey seamlessly. Let's unlock the secret to doubling your income with a free upgrade. Many affiliates share their link haphazardly, but there's a far more lucrative approach: quiz funnels. Envision guiding visitors through a tailored quiz, uncovering the best fat-burning nutrients for their body type. After receiving personalized recommendations, they're guided to your affiliate offer, primed and eager to purchase. This strategy triumphs by providing upfront value. Instead of pushy sales tactics, you offer helpful insights, cultivating appreciation and skyrocketing conversions when they reach your promoted product. Another game changer, sales funnels. Rather than a basic website, these guide customers through an optimized purchase journey like a well-oiled machine. One standout option is System.io, a comprehensive free funnel builder packed with tools for growing your business, from email marketing to websites and product launches. The free forever plan has some limitations, but the startup plan unlocks more robust features to maximize your potential. When you're ready, sign up on System.io and let's build your ClickBank funnel together. Once logged in, create a new funnel. Let's call it ClickBank Juice Funnel Upgrade. Choose your target audience and currency, then select a squeeze page template befitting your promotion. Customizing is also a breeze. Tweak colors, fonts, images, and text to perfection using the visual editor. Make it uniquely yours. With a high-converting funnel in place, you're primed to drive traffic and start raking in those juicy ClickBank commissions with ease. To accelerate your funnel game, I've prepared an upgraded funnel with a tailored quiz for you. Just hit Clone My Upgrade Funnel in the description to add it directly to your System.io account. Revamp it with your branding and tweak the quiz questions to stand out. A powerful, personalized funnel positions you to crush it as a ClickBank affiliate. So let's roll up our sleeves and bring this money-making machine to life. Now you've got two great options for closing the deal with your ClickBank funnel. Option 1. Capture leads. When folks finish the quiz, prompt them to enter their email and name. If they bite, redirect them straight to your affiliate link. Boom! New lead in the pipeline, ready for your irresistible email marketing sequences. Option 2. Go for the sale. Skip the lead capture and set up a custom URL redirect. When users complete the quiz, they'll be whisked away to the product page to make their purchase. Whichever route you choose, System.io makes it simple to create high-converting funnels that compel customers to buy. Setting up that redirect is easy. Paste your ClickBank affiliate link into the redirection URL field and save. Now you're primed to start raking in sales. Let's dive into email marketing next. Navigate to campaigns and create a new one like ClickBank Cash Cow. Copy a pre-written email swipe for the subject line and body content. Build out your full sequence using more email swipes or craft your persuasive copy, dropping your affiliate link to capture those commissions. Once polished, hit publish and even set a delay to send it a day after someone opts in. Now connect this campaign to your funnel. Under Automation Rules, add a new rule so that when someone subscribes, they automatically get added to your email sequence. Here's how it'll all flow. People take your irresistible quiz, opt in for their personalized results, receive your email promotions, and get redirected to the ClickBank offer, primed and eager to buy. Combine this funnel with mine and ride that 75% commission gravy train. Invest just about $13 in a custom domain instead of that generic System.io URL to supercharge credibility and earnings. Head to Settings. Custom domains. Purchase a slick name like juice4weightloss.com from a registrar and then input it in System.io. Just like that, you've leveled up professionalism and trust. Finally, let's discuss getting steady, red-hot leads without spending a dime on ads. Many rely on paid promos, bleeding cash while getting mixed results. But there's a far better way. Tapping into communities where your prospects already hang out. Use the search bar to find relevant Facebook groups, Instagram niches, YouTube channels, etc. Rather than interrupting their feeds, you can engage these audiences directly, add value, and build genuine trust and connection first. Once established, you can share offers to a welcoming audience primed to buy without ad costs. It's just good old community hustle. We're wrapping up here, but don't go just yet. You see that video popping up on your screen? That's like the secret sauce to amplifying your income. I've laid it all out for you there. Give it a click, and let's dive into some more strategies that are as exciting as they are profitable. It's not just another video. It's your next step towards financial freedom.